Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to play a video on YouTube. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube, look to whatever video that you want, and to play a video you have just to click on it and it will start playing immediately. And also you can, with the same method, you can just, let me check, for example, I will type pasta and I will look for playlists. Let me check the playlists related to pasta. Okay, they are not available on the top, but you can look and search, for example, these playlists. I couldn't find a playlist, but the playlist is like just the same method. You have just to click on the playlist and it will open. Let me show you. So this one, for example, is a playlist. It's the exact same method, and after it you will see the other videos in the playlist. So like that you can play a video on YouTube easily. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.